Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore social proof with Trustpilot requests easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore social proof with Trustpilot requests, start by logging into your Trustpilot business account. Navigate to the Collect Reviews section from the dashboard. Select the Invite Customers option to access the email invitation feature. Prepare a list of customers you want to request reviews from. Make sure to personalize your message for each customer to engage them effectively. Include a clear call to action, encouraging them to share their experience. Choose the channels through which you want to send your requests: email, SMS, or social media. If using email, customize the subject line to grab attention. Review the email template to ensure it aligns with your brand voice and tone. Before sending, double-check that all customer names and details are correct. Press the Send button to deliver your invitations. Monitor your dashboard for incoming reviews. Respond to each review promptly to foster engagement and build trust. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews by following up with them. Analyze the feedback you receive to identify areas for improvement. Consider showcasing your best reviews on your website and social media. Keep track of your review collection progress and adjust your strategy as needed. Regularly engage with your customers to maintain an ongoing relationship. This process will not only restore social proof but also enhance your overall brand reputation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.